Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal and I am a professional crane technician. Today, I will explain the safe procedure for removing the boom assembly and the important safety precautions that must be followed during the entire operation. Before starting the work, make sure the crane is parked on stable and level ground, turn off the engine, apply all safety locks, and isolate the hydraulic system to avoid accidental movement. All workers must wear proper PPE, including safety helmet, reflective safety vest, protective gloves, safety shoes, eye protection. Work area should be completely barricaded, and unauthorized persons must stay away from the lifting zone for removing the boom assembly. Inspect all lifting tools and slings. Check crane load capacity. Ensure all pins, bolts, and hydraulic connections are properly identified. Use proper communication signals between the operator and ground staff. During dismantling, remove components step by step carefully. Never stand under suspended loads. Maintain balance while lifting the boom sections. Follow the manufacturer's safety guidelines at all times. After completing the removal, secure all parts properly